Just main thing is they stay still. They'll see everything.
Stay quiet.
Just, yeah, you gotta stay quiet.
How you doing this morning?
Doing pretty good, doing pretty good. Ready to go shoot some of these big sandhill cranes this morning.
Heck yeah.
The moonlight. I work hard every day for a working man's pay, but I'm letting loose tonight. I think I'm gonna rise up, riding high. Ain't nothing gonna hold me back. Now I'm on the move, got nothing to lose. Like a freight train.
Boom. Got him. Hit him again. Well, good morning, everybody. Day number 2. So we're running off for crane today. The limit's 2 a person on crane. So hopefully, we get all the decoys thrown up, all that good stuff. Sun comes up at 6:55, and that's when we can start shooting. So we got a little over an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, just about to get everything primed and ready. And hopefully, within the first 2 hours, we limit out on crane. We can start moving over to some geese, some snow geese, and add to the totals we did yesterday. Stay tuned. Morning, guys. Out on the field here on day 2, chasing some cranes. This is what they look like. More to come.
I don't need your board.
Yeah, you just throw this in the back. Throw this in the back. Hey, cause you
Adjust.
pick up. Yeah, go put up there. Be straight chilling there.
Getting ready.
Now you go next?
I guess I'll go next.
Alrighty. Yeah, put right here in the middle.
We're out here 6 o'clock in the morning getting ready for our crane hunt. It's supposed to be a ribeye of the sky. We'll see. Each one of us can shoot 2.
Leaving the box open.
Hopefully we can all limit out.
So we can just grab in from there instead of
Now we're just waiting again for about an hour before the sun comes up. We have to finish putting up all the decoys and silhouettes. From there, we should be ready.
On my call. Ready, shoot!
You suck!
God! Say what you're
another one for
yeah.
real?
Yeah, say it.
Okay. We're pushing here.
Alright, we gotta take 2. Ready?
Alright, on 2. 1.
2. Oh my God! There we go. Take 3. I'm gonna call it. Alright. Ready, set, shoot!
I didn't know we were racing. Goddamn.
Bro, I got up quick, dude.
They're all down. They're all down.
We're working on my pop time.
Go guys, set up front.
Come back to life.
Oh, reload.
Ooh. Here.
Oh, he got him. He got him.
Here.
He's fighting the other one.
From my opening.
Don't shoot the decoy.
Yeah, it's going away from my opening.
Go to the right. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to go there. He said, you son of a bitch, here.
Damn, we're gonna.
Fucking beast. Look at this guy.
Hell yeah.
Good dog. Good fucking dog.
There's a pile back here, bro.
Oh, here we go. Goddamn, already. Real early already.
Don't get mad at me. You struggle too. Chill right there, guys. Chill right there.
I think you're right.
I ain't seen a goose fly over here all morning, so I don't see no point waiting on geese.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Man, this is badass and that's right.
Hell yeah. Let's pose for some pictures, baby. Hell yeah. This is the day right here.
They all would have landed like the one.
I didn't have to put my swim trunks on. I didn't have to freeze my ass off. Had a comfortable chair. Shit, this is like fucking Tempur-Pedic style right here.
This is royalty right here.
Hell yeah.
Time, right? So you gotta have something that literally will have your.
We're all done for our sandhill crane hunt. See y'all in the next episode. Like and subscribe. Show support. Thank you.